PEC Education is one of the leading PTE test training providers in Dhaka, Bangladesh. PEC Education started its journey in 2016 with providing one-stop PTE academic supports and services. There are several PTE courses that PEC offers both online and on campus to its students. All of the PTE courses includes PTE study materials and free PTE mock tests. Please call for detailed information PTE course preparation and services to 01713167969 or visit the website www.pecpte.com.
There were two types of soldier in the Roman army, the Roman legionary and the auxiliaries. The legionaries were the very best soldiers and the auxiliaries were actually non-Roman citizens. Legionaries wore an undershirt made of linen and a woolen tunic. The linen helped the soldiers to stay cool while the wool helped to trap heat, keeping the soldiers warm.
Digital art can be computer-generated, scanned or drawn using a tablet and a mouse. Thanks to improvements in digital technology, it is possible to download video onto computers, allowing artists to manipulate the images they had filmed with a video camera. This gives artists a creative freedom, allowing them to cut and paste within moving images to create visual collages.
Domestic cats that are largely indoor hunt less than outdoor cats because they don't have access to mice. In the wild, feral kittens are taught how to kill prey by their mothers. Domestic cats often fail to learn this skill, which is why you will see them playing with anything they catch, or they may bring the mouse to you to kill.
More than half of cow feed is actually grass, and farmers call it hay and silage. While people often think dairy cows are fed a high-grain diet, in reality they eat the leaves and stems from corn, wheat and oats far more often than they are eating grain, like corn kernels.
The bone density test is painless and quick. It estimates how dense or thick your bones are by using X-rays. The X-rays measure how much calcium and minerals are in a part of your bone. The more minerals you have, the better, which means your bones are stronger, denser, and less likely to break.
Coffee is a beloved beverage known for its ability to fine-tune your focus and boost your energy levels. In fact, many people depend on their daily cup of coffee when they wake up to get their day started on the right foot. In addition to its energizing effects, Coffee has been linked to a long list of potential health benefits, giving you more reasons to get brewing.
Body uses glucose as its main source of energy. Glucose comes from foods that contain carbohydrates, which is released and absorbed into the bloodstream after food is digested. The glucose in the bloodstream needs to move into body tissues so that cells can use it for energy. Excess glucose is also stored in the liver, or converted to fat.
Sea breeze is one of the most frequently occurring small-scale weather systems. It results from the unequal sensible heat flux of the lower atmosphere over adjacent solar-heated land and water masses. Owing to the large thermal inertia of a water body, during daytime the air temperature changes little over the water while over land the air mass warms.
New York, North Carolina and Iowa were some of the intended destinations of cancelled flights that were supposed to leave from Southern California. Those areas are in the path of a winter storm that covered some neighborhoods with over a foot of snow and drenched others with freezing rain on Monday.
During the Archean Eon, methane droplets in the air shrouded the young Earth in a global haze. There was no oxygen gas on Earth. Oxygen was only in compounds such as water. Complex chemical reactions in the young oceans transformed carbon-containing molecules into simple, living cells that did not need oxygen to live. Instead, they made energy out of sulfur and other elements.